your ultimate kids learning destination. Hey there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Creative Mingle. Today's story topic is The Milkman's Redemption.
In a small village bordered by lush green fields, there lived a milkman named Gopal. Known for his charming smile and friendly demeanor, Gopal was a fixture in the community, visiting each house every morning on his bicycle, the clinking bottles of milk announcing his arrival. While Gopal presented the image of a hardworking, honest man, he had a secret that few knew about. From time to time, his inner greed got the better of him, and he would water down the milk ever so slightly to stretch his supply and increase his earnings. Just a little, he told himself. No one will notice a bit of extra water. His strategy seemed to work perfectly at first. Every evening, Gopal would count his extra earnings with a sense of satisfied accomplishment, convincing himself that he deserved every coin. But over time, people in the village started to notice that the milk wasn't as creamy as it used to be. Gradually, whispers of complaint began to ripple through the small community. One day, an elderly woman named Leela, who was both wise and observant, decided she had enough of the subpar milk. Having witnessed the deteriorating quality, she invited Gopal for a cup of tea. Little did he know that it was a trap to test him. As Gopal sat in Leela's humble home sipping tea and exchanging pleasantries, Leela got straight to the point. Gopal, I've noticed the milk isn't as rich and creamy as it used to be. Is there something you need to tell us? Caught off guard, Gopal nervously laughed it off. Oh, Leela ma, it must be the cows. Sometimes their mood affects the milk. Leela looked him in the eye and said, or maybe it's the man delivering it who's affected, hinting at his deceit. Realizing that his bluff was being called, Gopal panicked. The thought of losing his reputation and the trust of the villagers weighed heavily on him. That night, he couldn't sleep, haunted by the vision of empty carts and open shame. The next morning, he decided it was time to make amends. Gopal went door to door, confessing his misdeed and assuring his customers that the milk would henceforth be pure. While some villagers were upset and refused his services, others accepted his apology, hopeful that Gopal had learned his lesson. True to his word, the milk's quality improved dramatically, winning back most of his clientele over time. The experience humbled Gopal, teaching him that quick gains through deceit only led to long-term losses. From then on, Gopal worked with integrity, making sure each bottle was as pure as promised. His laughter returned to being genuine, his conscience clear, and the trust he once nearly lost steadily rebuilt. And so, the village thrived once more with the sound of clinking bottles echoing through the lanes each morning, accompanied by Gopal's cheerful greetings and honest smile.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.